Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Windows. This is a relatively simple process, but it can be a bit confusing if you've never done it before. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step. To begin, access the Windows Run dialog by using the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Following that, enter regedit within the Run dialog. After that, registry editor will open. Now follow the steps as shown. Once you follow all steps and you reach to Salesforce, click on Start. Then a pop-up will open here. You have to change the value from 3 to 4. After that, click on Save. Make sure you have followed all the steps. Now you have to restart your PC. You will see your Windows is activated. Also, your Windows activation banner has been removed.